So it's Thursday today and I'm just about to head into the studio. My makeup today, decided to go for like a silver eye, pink beret, this jumper from Zara that I got at a market a while ago, and then I have on this skirt that I thrifted, this blouse that I thrifted, and the cutest shoes. These are my Hello Kitty Vans. I actually had these years ago and then I sold them, and then I was so upset that I got rid of them that I went on an eBay hunt and I finally found them a while back. So yeah, I really like them for the outfit. I know a few of you have asked me to talk about my kind of styling a bit more in detail, but I suppose for this look it was just about wearing lots of colour. I had this blouse that I thrifted a while back, and this skirt I just thrifted. Yeah, and I usually like to try and wear something pretty soon after I thrifted to kind of fit it in with my wardrobe. So it's August, I decided to wear a bit of colour. Yeah, I like this look, and I like this skirt because it's kind of nearly like watercolour. I think it's really nice. Yeah, the skirt on top I think are like, there's not really a brand on them, but the jumper is Zara. I will show you my outfit then in my usual spot too, but yeah, that's my look for today. So welcome to this week's outfits of the week. If this is your first time on my channel, I make these videos nearly every week if I'm on top of things, and it's just a way of documenting what I'm wearing during the months. Most of my wardrobe is thrifted or like sourced secondhand, so yeah, it's just kind of a way of figuring out how to style everything. I just like having fun with clothes. So yeah, if you're interested in kind of slow and sustainable fashion, it would be great to have you here if you'd like to subscribe. Yeah, but this is my outfit for today. I think I've talked you through it already. The crossbody bag I have on is Chrome Industries, and it's a really handy bag if you're cycling, but I still kind of wear it when I'm not cycling. Yeah, so this is my outfit for today, and I've started to try and take some videos on the street, which can be a bit hard filming in public. It's kind of a nice way to get a full outfit pic. And then on the way into the studio, I dropped into one of my favourite charity shops to have a look. And they actually had half price on all women's wear, which was amazing. So here are a few bits that I tried on. I really loved these two pieces, this top and skirt. This skirt was such a find. It's an ASOS skirt with all this kind of embellished detail. And I also loved this blouse with the shoulder pads. Yeah, so here is the top and the skirt on, and these are definite yeses for me. I actually really like them both together, but yeah, I think the top is really fun, and the detail on the ASOS skirt's amazing. The top is misguided, I think. I really like this blouse too. I really can't say no to like a cream or a white vintage blouse. And then I tried on this kind of metallic jumper. I really liked the idea of it. It's really cool and shiny. And I think it looked really well with the skirt too. So it's Friday today, just heading into the studio. I just did my makeup and I've got some clips in my hair. I've just washed my hair and I've just kind of tied it back in a bun so it gets a little bit of a wave in it, and then I'll take it down in a minute. And then I'm gonna wear these ASOS sunglasses. I'll show you my shoes. I have on my Vans and my dress. I'll show you properly outside. show you what I'm wearing. So my collar is, I think it's originally from Primark. I've got some necklaces. My dress is Ashley Williams. Glasses I think are ASOS. Can't really remember though. I also changed into these Vans because I didn't really like how the other ones looked with them. And then on Saturday I was heading into town and it was kind of quite a cold, blustery day, even though it's August. So I have on like this quilted coat, I think it's from Pull & Bear, and then a polo neck jumper, which who would have thought I would need that in August, but there you go. My bag is my Marc Jacobs bag, and then my APC tote bag, I got it as a present. It fits so much in it and folds up into nothing. And then my trousers are, I think they're like men's tailored suit trousers that I thrifted a while back. And my glasses, I think these glasses are ASOS. I can never remember where I get my glasses from. Coat is Pull & Bear, I think, and these are some like men's trousers that I thrifted. Loving the Barbie sign everywhere. Yeah. Got on some blue eyeshadow and my beret. I can't remember, I think maybe Monkey or ASOS, can't remember. Yeah. And then we're finishing with the next day, and I was just at the beach in the morning, and then I have on the same, well, pretty much the same outfit as yesterday, which I do quite often. I wear the same thing like twice in a row, but I just have these jean denim shorts on instead of the trousers, and my tote bag is from one of my previous collections that I made. So that's going to be it for this week. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. I'll get another video out as soon as I can. Yeah, if you're interested in seeing more content, I post my everyday outfits on TikTok, and Instagram has some different kind of content as well, so you could follow me there. But yeah, I will catch you in the next one. Bye.